Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling hazard and access. Ventilate the workspace and don a respirator, chemical-resistant gloves, and eye protection. Once done, mask off nearby surfaces with tape and plastic so you protect what stays chrome. You then take coarse 120-220 grit to scuff and break the smooth chrome layer. This creates keying for removers and prevents chemical bite. Do this with steady pressure. Let the abrasive do the work, and stop when you see dull metal or primer showing through. Next, you apply a commercial chrome stripper in controlled thin coats. Because thick coats can undercut edges and run, read the dwell time and watch the coating lift. After the recommended weight, you scrape with plastic tools and use a brass brush to debulk coating without gouging. Then clean with solvent. Make sure to neutralize the stripper per instructions. You follow with progressive sanding. 400 then 800 grit to smooth feathered edges and prepare the surface for primer or replating. Finally, you degrease thoroughly with acetone and inspect for pitting or leftover chrome. If the metal is sound, apply an etching primer to promote adhesion. If pitted, fill or weld and sand smooth before primer. Once primed, follow paint or replating steps. If you encounter adhesion failures, make sure there is no residual chrome, stripper residue or oil. Re-clean, repeat abrasion, and test a small area. This one troubleshooting step solves most finish problems and saves rework later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.